Like, oh,
Alright, y'all, back again with another unboxing. We got some reels, and y'all know what's up in here. So let's get the opening and see what we have. Alright, y'all, this is a Grizzly Jig unboxing. Got a couple things from Grizzly Jigs. I got these little high-tech reels. They have some line on them, but I'm gonna take that line off and put my my 6 pound on, 6 pound high vis. And this is a FCS 2002. This is a high tech. You know, the poles I'll be using is high tech. So I bought a couple of these little spinning reels. And you know, basically with the poles we use and how we fish, you know, we use those fly fishing reels, but mainly we just need the reels the whole line. Most time we not doing no casting or reeling when we're using our poles. They just the reels are there just the whole line. So I'm gonna get these put on, and I'll leave the specs in the description box for you all. Let's check out the other one. Like I say, I just need these reels just the whole line. This one is a little bit heavier than the other one, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna take that line off, and I'm gonna be putting some high vis 6 pound mono on it. Gold. Those are the two reels right there, y'all, from Grizzly Jigs. Let's see now. Let's check out the poles. Let's get in there and pull them out, y'all. All right, y'all. Here we go. The first one is a high-tech fishing reel. It is 11. It is called a jigging stick. It's a 11-foot 2-piece. The action is light. 96% select graphite, and it doesn't have the fixed reel seat on this one. And the pole, let me let you see the tip. That's the tip right there. 11 foot. Let's check out the next one. This the next one, y'all. Is also a high tech, and it is called just panfish. It is 96% special graphite. I don't know if I said select or special on the last pole, but it says special. It's 11 foot. The action is ultralight on this one, and it's 2-piece. And it's the cork handles, and the reel seat is fixed. So yeah. And I know y'all see the other rods that we're using. Pops, he doesn't like this end on. He likes his reel to be right here at the end, and he'll cut this off right there. But he does that because, like on this, it gets heavy with all this the backbone or whatever you call it. He doesn't like all that on there. So he'll cut it off right there. He done it before, and it hadn't messed up his poles. It hasn't cracked them or anything like that. But this right here, he says gets in his way. Like when he's trying to hold it, it'll get caught on his jacket, or it'll get, it'll just get in the way. So he likes it his reel to be right here at the end. But on this one, he could put it at the end, but then he'll have all this left on there, and he said that gets too heavy with all that on there. So sometimes he'll cut it to about right here, and he'll make sure he'll put some tape around it or something where the reel won't slide off. Now let's check out the last one. Alright, y'all, the next one is this Lew's Wally Marshall signature light. And it is, let's see, where's the specs? There they are. 10-foot, 2-piece, and the power is light action. Light action, and it's moderate. And it's a fixed reel seat. And the reason I got it was I was on Grizzly Jigs site, and its regular price was, I think, $50, but it was like $25. So I say I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it works, you know, just to see. But as anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Pretty good one, y'all. Got another one? I got monkey milk.